Yeah. Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to today's video. This is Shan Magaraj. We are continuing our journey on Safe Tour. Currently, we are discussing about responsibilities of the product owner. Today's topic is getting and applying feedback being one of the primary areas of responsibility of a product owner. As you are aware, we are trying to discuss all the little components that are available within various safe configurations like essential large solution and portfolio of lean enterprise. In my earlier videos, we discussed about business and technology. We discussed about agile teams. We discussed about scrum masters. Today we're going to talk about maybe another two subsequent videos as well. We're going to talk about a component called product owner. As we discussed in one of my previous videos, the product owner responsibilities can generally categorized into five primary areas. They are connecting with the customer, contributing to the vision and roadmap, managing and prioritizing the team backlog, supporting the team in delivering value, getting and applying feedback. Getting and applying feedback is the fifth most primary responsibility of a product owner. The PO has the primary responsibility of maximizing the value delivered by the agile team. This of course implies the value is known. That knowledge comes from frequent feedback from customers and stakeholders, not just upon delivery but throughout the entire delivery lifecycle. What they're trying to say here is it's not only about delivering the value of delivering it in one way. To understand the knowledge that we are delivering the right value to customer, that knowledge comes from the frequent feedback from customers and stakeholders. Only when getting the feedback and applying that feedback in your iteration execution, you can maximize the value. The PO seeks quantitative and qualitative feedback to develop a comprehensive understanding of where solutions are and are not providing the real value. There are a set of activities PO has to do for gathering and applying the feedback. First one is the test benefit hypothesis. Value can only be realized when a working solution is in the hands of a customer. During the development, the value can only be speculated. To mitigate the risk of delivering solutions with little value, the PO collaborates with the product management to define benefit hypothesis based on the extensive customer and market knowledge. So these hypotheses drive implementation and are validated by the feedback PO gathers from the customer and stakeholders throughout the product lifecycle. See, that's how we need to go with a lot of options and alternative approaches. You need to have benefit hypothesis before you start working with particular solution that is satisfying the range of needs. So when you identify the solution, when you try to implement that, you need to have a benefit hypothesis for every solution you're going to do that for the customer. Only when you have hypothesis, only when you start implementing that solution, you will come to know that benefit hypothesis works for you or not. Accordingly, you can take steps and diversions and take different options, alternatives of solutions. Right? So testing the benefit hypothesis throughout the product life cycle is very crucial activity in getting and applying the feedback. The second important aspect is obtaining the feedback from customers and stakeholders. Customers derive value from their use of the delivery solutions. The stakeholders derive value in the form of revenue, cost savings, decreased risk stemming from customers' use of delivered solutions. The PO gathers this feedback from customers because customer will give you a feedback on the solution on them in terms of value. The stakeholders will give in terms of cost, in terms of revenue. So both the values, both the feedbacks the product owner gathers via frequent interviews, Gemba walks, iteration reviews, and system demos. And also you can take the feedback indirectly via application telemetry, usage analytics, financial reporting, and secondary market data. Number of ways you can either directly or indirectly can get the feedback from the customers and stakeholders. Direct way of getting is empathy interviews, Gemba walks, iteration reviews, and system demos. Indirect ways of getting that: application telemetry, usage analytics, financial reporting, and secondary market data. The third activity is share the feedback with the art. So once you got the feedback from customers and stakeholders, you need to share it with the team members, right? Then only you are applying that feedback. You need to get the other perspectives from the agile team. So PO shares that information with the product management, system architects as part of continuous exploration, and with other POs during the PO sync, and with their teams during the backlog refinement, iteration planning, and iteration reviews. You understand that the product owners are talking to three set of people for three set of context. First, they are talking to the feedback they got from the customers and stakeholders. They're taking to product management and system architects team for continuous exploration, for benefit hypothesis analysis. And second set of audience is other POs. They have a PO sync meeting, right? They'll sync, they'll integrate, they try to navigate. The third context is your own teams. During your iteration backlog, refinement, iteration planning, reviews, all those things, right? During PA planning, system demos, inspect and adopt events. So you need to understand that, getting the feedback is one aspect, right? Testing the benefit hypothesis, getting the feedback, and sharing the feedback to the three different stakeholders: product management, system architects, PO sync, and your team. The final activity in getting and applying feedback is evolve solution design, right? So frequent customer centric feedback cycle, fuel, plan, do, check, adjust cycle that enables continuous value delivery in the ongoing relentless improvement of value stream itself. So by gathering and sharing these critical insights, the PO enables the continuous refinement of product vision, roadmap, strategy, and design towards the optimum business value. With that, we have come to the conclusion of today's video. As well as we have come to a conclusion of responsibilities of a product owner, as well as we are completing our component product owner as well. So hope you had a nice experience of videos for the product owner, right? Hope you like all these videos, series of videos on product owner. I'm happy to receive the feedback. Let me know if any positive impact you can make in my videos. I'll happy to incorporate it. Take care. Bye bye.